Hey friends, ZenKahuna here with Coach Tara. So we're going to do some single club play here. We're going to do some backhand shifts and show you a little combination of moves that you can do. Some of you will have seen other of my videos. You'll recognize some of the moves. We just add a couple of variations into the theme here. Let's take a look. So just to get started, we'll just do backhand shift. And for those of you that are not familiar with what you do with the back, it looks like this. So, backhand shift, single cross, single cross. Every time you get your backhand shift and that single cross. Then we're going to do single cross and elbow cast. Single cross, elbow cast. Then we're going to shift over to the salute. Alright, so from the salute then, what we're going to do, we will go ahead and do the salute to a hold. Then another elbow cast and bring it down. Hold and bring it down. Hold, elbow cast, bring it down. Last one. And bring it down. All right. So, now we'll put those two together. So it's going to look like this. So we'll do a cross, elbow cast, backhand. Cross, elbow cast, and backhand shift. Then, salute to a hold, elbow cast, salute to a hold, elbow cast, and back. right, one more time all the way through. This series with the backhand shifting, using a variety of movements in between that backhand shifts, is great for opening up the shoulder and chest girdle all the way around. So it's a powerful series to do. Make sure you include some sort of sequence like this at least 2 or 3 times a week in your Indian club play. Remember, physical culture should be fun, and every single day, if you're not wanting to do it, you're not making it fun enough. So make it fun, and you are the guru.